You searched how to buy shares of Nepi Rockcastle NV, a European real estate company focusing on retail and logistics properties. It trades on Euronext under the ticker NRP.NV. This is educational content, not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy the stock, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NRP.NV to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext entry to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the listing details and the NRP.NV ticker again for accuracy. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform example.